newcomers. You'll learn how to avoid infrared guided missiles in this lesson. Are you ready? Then press spacebar to continue. Confirm the master arm switch is on arm position. Then press spacebar to infrared guided missile in the battlefield. You have to be prepared and watch your right front. It's free flight now. You may navigate toward the guiding frame to practice avoiding infrared guided missiles. Watch your right side. 2 missiles in the air. Don't worry. You won't be shot down by them now. You may have noticed that their jet tracks can help you judge their directions. If the jet track approaches you gradually and flies directly toward you, the missile has a big chance to attack you. Or the missile, like the left one, whose jet track doesn't point to you. If you find an infrared guided missile come to you, pull backward the dispenser switch on the throttle to drop some flares. Those flares have certain chances to deceive the missile. Meanwhile, you need to ease the throttle so as to minimize the probability of being found. You may notice that the helicopter in front of you is delivering infrared flares, which will deprive most infrared guided missiles. In the weapon range ahead, some infrared. Ouch! You have been hit! Alright, press Shift plus R to restart the mission.